Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to download and install Bolt application on your iPhone. Whether you want to book rides quickly, explore new routes, or use Bolt for delivery services, let's get you started so that you can access Bolt in just a few simple steps. First of all, open your App Store on your iOS device and in the search bar type in Bolt. Look for the Bolt Request a Ride, this application from Bolt Technology, and tap on the install or the get button or the download button to start the download process. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will take us several minutes depending upon your internet speed, and once it does, you can simply open up the application. Then follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account or log in if you already have one. So that's how you easily download and install the Bolt application on your iOS device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.